How to set up Touch ID on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to enable fingerprint touch on your MacBook? Then you need to head over to your settings and then you need to head over to touch ID and password at the bottom. Now you need to tap on add fingerprint and then you will need to enter the password for MacBook to add a fingerprint, and then you can see you need to place your finger in the touchpad and then like left and reset your finger on the touch ID repeatedly until it recognizes your finger. So, like as you can see, the red line means it is recognizing your fingers. So, do it until it's completely red. Left and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. So, that is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.